Learn German for beginners, ordering in a restaurant. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we will focus on the essential skill of ordering in a restaurant. From basic vocabulary to common dialogue scenarios, let's dive into the world of dining in German. Basic vocabulary. Before we delve into restaurant scenarios, let's grasp some fundamental German vocabulary related to dining. Waiter and waitress. Kellner masculine and Kellnerin feminine. Menu, Speisekarte or men. Dishes, fish, Talon challenge, Pfizer, Carter menu, etc. Dialogue in the restaurant. Now, let's explore a typical restaurant dialogue between a waiter and a guest. Greeting, Guten Tag, good day. The waiter may ask if you have a reservation. Haben Sie reserviert? Ordering drinks. Questions like, Was möchten Sie trinken? What would you like to drink? Are common. Responses can include ordering wine, beer, or coffee. Placing food orders. After drinks, it's time to order food. Here's a glimpse of how it might go. Ordering food. Was möchten Sie essen? What would you like to eat? Responses vary based on the menu, like ordering pizza, a sandwich, or a specific dish. Paying the bill. Zusammen oder getrennt. Together or separate. Paying together is a common practice in Germany. Enjoying the meal. Once the orders are placed and the meal is served, it's time to savor the food. Enjoying the meal. Guten Appetit. Enjoy your meal. After finishing the meal, expressing satisfaction. Es war sehr lecker. It was very delicious. Paying the bill. Tips are customary in Germany. Die Rechnung, bitte, the bill please. Learning how to navigate a restaurant dialogue is crucial when mastering a new language. This simulated conversation provides a glimpse into common phrases and interactions you might encounter while dining in German. Practice with a friend to reinforce your language skills. Dank for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning videos.